up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. 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 Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen on this Good Friday. You know, we're going to have a little fish on this Friday. So this Fish Friday right here. So what I have right here, I have some shrimp, some jumbo red shrimps that I chopped up to little pieces. I have some salmon right there, also chopped up. I have some bacon bits, some COLBY jack cheese. Also have some the mac and cheese and a couple baked potatoes. Well, a couple of potatoes, I'm going to make some stuff. Baked potatoes, we're gonna load them bad boys up. You hear me? So what I'm finna do right now, we finna go ahead and season this salmon real quick. We'll use some paprika. We'll also do the same thing with the shrimp. Hit it with the paprika. Then we're gonna hit it with some parsley flakes. Alright. We're gonna hit it with the maple bacon. We'll use the rest of that bad boy. There's some good seasoning right here. I'm going to look for some tomorrow. Man. Alright, so my baked potatoes, I'm going to throw them bad boys in the microwave and let them do their thing. Yeah, we're gonna throw them in the microwave, and then the salmon, the shrimps, we're gonna get them a nice saute. We're gonna make it happen. All right, so I have me a half of a stick of butter and some extra virgin olive oil in there. So we'll go ahead and start our sauteing. So we're gonna start with the fish first. As you know, it takes a little minute for the fish to get right. I wasn't gonna film, but you know what, I was like, you know, man, let me tap in with my good family and friends and give them a nice little cool little quick video, let them know how much I appreciate it. You know what I mean? You know, like I said, it's Fish Friday, so everybody loves a little piece of fish or two. Yeah. If it's sauteed or fried or baked. Get some shrimps in there. And you know it don't take long for the shrimp to do what it do. We're got to get that fish a nice head start. It's gonna be a delicious loaded potato. Alright, so the baked potatoes is ready. I have my mac and cheese bowl in the microwave now. Just cut it open like that there. I'm gonna go push it open. Push it just like that. Okay, open it up. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this potato up out of there. Alright, so here we go right here. Here go the potato, the inside of the potato. I broke the skin a little bit. Well, I broke the skin kind of like a lot, you know what I mean? Because I ain't, you know, good at that. Not just yet. I haven't been doing it. So we're going to do, we'll go ahead and season the potato with the maple. Then we'll hit it with some parsley flakes. Now, we'll go ahead and grab this. So, what's in here is, you know, everybody put butter in their potatoes, you know what I mean, baked potatoes. So, I do the same thing. So, I have melted me some more butter. Alright, there goes seafood right there. Now, we'll go ahead and drop. Drop our cheese in there. You can eyeball the cheese, you know what I mean? Put as much cheese as you want. And we'll throw our bacon bits in there. You also do that with the bacon bits. Eyeball it. Put as much bacon bits as you want. Now we're gonna throw our mac and cheese in there. Mac and cheese bowl. 3 minutes in the microwave. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Just like that. Fill it up with some water to the line. And boom. You got you some mac and cheese bowl. Alright. Now just mix it up. Mix everything in there. Let everything come together like chow. Look at that cheese. That's that good COLBY jack cheese right here. Doing this thing. So now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get this bad boy on a nice plate and we'll close the video. Okay, so here we go right here. Your boy done did it, still made it happen. That's that big loaded, well, that's that loaded baked potato right there. Look at it. Everything stuffed in there. And some of that pot roast that I made last night, there was still a lot of it left. So I was like, you know what I mean? Let me put some of that on my plate. Because that pot roast was fire. Fire. My aunt told me the only thing was missing with the pot roast was some little bit of gravy. But aunt, only if you seen all them juices, psh, come on now. We don't need no gravy for that. Nah. But in that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Yes, sir.